Dear students, here we are going to solve exercise 6.2, which is based on the BPT and converse of BPT. It implies it is based on totally Thales theorem and converse of Thales theorem. Let's try the second part of the first question, which says DE is parallel to BC and we have given some units and we have to find AD. Students, let AD is equal to x centimeter and it is given ED parallel to BC. And we know that is the basic requirement of the BPT. So here we can use BPT. So we know that if the line is parallel to the third line and it intersect other two lines on two distinct points, then their corresponding ratios will be same. So now we take the ratio AD upon DB is equal to AC upon EC. We have let AD is equal to x and given DB is equal to 7.2, which will equal to 1.8 upon 5.4. By solving this, we get x is equal to 2.4. So AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. That is our answer. The third question, that is the figure which is given in our textbook, and in this it is given ML is parallel to BC. ML is parallel to BC. Then here we can use the BPT. So AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC. Similarly, in triangle ADC, LN is parallel to CD. So by BPT we can write AN upon AD is equal to AL upon AC. So if we take first and second equation, then we can get AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD, which was the required proof of this question. So that is proved. Now come at the fifth question. The given figure is this, and in this figure it is specified that D is parallel to OQ. D is parallel to OQ. Then we can take POQ triangle and we use BPT. So P upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. That is first equation. Similarly, in triangle POR, we can get by the BPT PF upon FR is equal to PD upon DO. That is second equation. So from first and second equation we have P upon EQ is equal to PF upon EFR. Now we get this type of ratio, and we know that from the converse of BPT that if this ratio satisfies, then EF is parallel to OR. That is proved. Let us try ninth question. In this question, in our textbook, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O, so that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. First, let us make an trapezium ABCD and join their diagonals point DB and AC, which meets at point O. We have make a simple construction that we draw a line EF which is parallel to CD and parallel to also AB. Draw a line EF through point O such that EF parallel to DC. In triangle ADC, EO is parallel to DC. So by BPT, AE upon ED is equal to AO upon OC. Similarly, in triangle ABD, we have AE upon ED is equal to BO upon OD. So combining the first and second equation, we get AO upon OC is equal to BO upon DO. And the 10th question is saying that the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. Then show that ABCD is a trapezium. It is just opposite theorem of the 9th question. So first we draw a quadrilateral ABCD and draw a line EO which is parallel to AB. Now in triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB. So by BPT, we can write AE upon ED is equal to BO upon OD. But we have to given that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. It implies AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. That is the second equation. From the first and second, we can write AE upon ED is equal to AO upon CO, which states that EO is parallel to DC with the help of converse of BPT. So AB is parallel to OE is parallel to DC. It implies AB parallel to CD. So ABCD is a trapezium. That's all.